Bounce out, unpacking the phrase. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase you might come across, bounce out. We'll break it down, explore its meanings, and understand how to use it in different contexts. Let's jump right in. To truly understand bounce out, it's essential to start with the base word, bounce. Think of a ball. When you throw it on the ground, it comes back up. This action is what we call a bounce. It means to rebound after hitting a surface. Now that we have an idea about bounce, adding out brings a slight twist to the phrase. Bounce out typically means 1. To leave quickly. For example, after the meeting, I'll bounce out to grab lunch. 2. In some contexts, it can also refer to something being forced out or popping out of its place due to pressure or a forceful impact. To better understand, let's look at a couple of examples. 1. Leaving quickly. I have another appointment, so I need to bounce out in 10 minutes. 2. Forced out. I dropped my container, and all the cookies bounced out. It's essential to identify the context to understand the meaning accurately. A common mistake learners make is to use bounce out in a literal sense too often. Remember, when used in casual conversation, it often means to leave quickly. So, it's more about the action and urgency, rather than the physical act of bouncing. And that's a wrap on bounce out. Language is full of fun phrases that, when unpacked, reveal interesting meanings and nuances. We hope this video clarified the phrase for you. Keep practicing, and you'll bounce to fluency in no time.